Welcome to a brand new video. It's me, Jack, and we're here with another horror games. So, Motherbird Horror Story. That's aka Momo. She's right there on the door. I can't even point out for you guys. There you go. That's where Momo is. So yeah, let's start the game. There's two choices: classic mode or gun mode. I'm gonna go in gun mode. See you guys later. Okay guys, we're here. Classic mode or gun mode? Gun mode. Let's go. You son of a gun. I'm not saying Momo. Please Momo. Don't kill me. It's an ad. Okay. Hello, who are you? I see you, smile face. I'm watching you right now through the window. You left the back door open. Don't play with me. I don't know me. You don't know. I'll call the police. You don't do it. You'll just make it worse. I'm calling the police right now. Okay. Stick a knife in your skull and eat you while blood sink. Okay. Oh, weapon. Momo is in the house with you. Survive until the police arrives. Momo, come on. I have a knife. I have a gun. Come on. Oh, I'm scared. Is there a way to aim? Whoa, I just heard the door. I definitely heard the door. Momo, if you're there, come kill me right now. Whoa! Momo! Run. That's not run. Run. I think he's back. She's back. I hear her. No, I don't have an animal. Oh, no, Mama. Give me that. I did. It's in a fun app. Okay, go. Monster box. Yay. Okay, hello, who are you? Momo. I see you. I'm watching you right now through the window. Here's the back door open. That's all Momo talks. But don't play games with me. I know them. I'll call the police. Don't do it. You just make it worse. I'm calling the police right now. That's my voice. I stick a knife to your skull and while your blood. Okay, go. Is there a way to run? I think so, right? What? So, this is how you run? Oh my god. I have a face cam on. Okay. That's good. Momo. No. Go. Okay, she's knocked out. Not for long. How do you get out of this house? It's my house. That was actually scary. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. Let's try to beat this game. Okay. Minecraft idle. I know this is Minecraft. I love Minecraft. Hey, hello. Who are you? I see you. I'm watching you right now. Okay. Don't play with me. I don't know you. I'll call the police. Don't do it. You just make it worse. I'm calling the police now. Do not do it. Where you are. Blood drains. I hide. I'll find you in. Oh my god, he's gonna find me. That's not scary at all, man. I'm a grown man. You're a mother bird. Birds aren't that scary, right? Momo. No. Go. Come on, Momo. Are you scared? Huh? Are you scared of a grown man? Huh? Okay, Momo. Die. Okay, I only have one ammo left. I think there's a lot of momos. What the baby? A grenade. Oh. Shit. Is it my office or something? What the hell? Hey, mate. Hey, I have a grenade. How do I start a grenade? How do I... Oh. Of course, give me that. What? No. Do you guys see my... Okay, let's go. Oh my god, I hate these ads. Let's go. Oh. Okay. Oh my god, how do you access this ad? Of course. Oh my god, I had this a million times already. Come on, I can beat this game. This game isn't that hard. Bam, 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 bam. You make it worse. I can do this. Okay. I'm quick as hell, boy. Okay, Momo. No. Go. Okay, Momo. Momo, I love birds. Come on. Dang, son. Ah, he's dead. She's knocked out. I think there's multiple. Ah, grenade. Momo, if you mess with me, you're gonna make it worse. If you mess with me, you're gonna make it worse. Guys, Momo is gonna make it worse. And she does not like that. Momo, you're making... Oh my, she's up. She's not there. I only have one. Ah. Here you go. Oh, where's the grenade? Ah, if I'm going down, you're going down with me. Yep. We both go down. What's this, PUBG or something? This is PUBG. Okay, what is it? Yep. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's why you should never play PUBG. You'll get something. Skill. Thingy goes there. Hello, who are you? I have this intro a lot of times now. I don't even know many times. I'm looking at you guys. Don't mind that, I'm a psycho. Okay, Momo is a psycho. We know, please, Momo, do not kill me. I hear Momo opening the doors. But I'm not scared. I'm scared of birds. Who says that? Come on, Momo. I'm waiting for you, mother bird. Come on. She's scared. Okay, is this self-defense? I don't want to hurt anyone. That was you. Okay, I have 2 ammo. Ammo. Give a medkit. What do I need a medkit for? I don't know. Momo. Oh, I need to reload. I need to reload. Go. Ah, go. For she. Wait, sir. Ah. Oh no, I'm stuck. I'm not gonna get out. Momo wants to mess with me. She's gonna get it. This is a good hiding spot. I don't think I'm gonna like you guys. Why do I have medkits all around my house? Okay, Momo's down. Ah, go. Can't I just run away? Oh, where's the police gonna arrive? Please, police. Cops, I need you. Where are the cops when I need them? Oh, I see Momo. Is the same Momo or is there's multiple? Go. Oh, reloading. I'm reloading. Oh my god, I don't have enough ammo. Oh shit. I said shoot. Shoot it. I just knocked you out, lady. Okay, lady, stay away from me. Stay away from me. Do not get in. You know what? She's smiling. She's happy. I hit her in the, what's it called? Nose? You don't seem, good, lady. Ammo. I hit her. I'm gonna shoot. What's this? Find the back door key. What? What? How did you get? Oh shit. Oh. What? Find the back door key? Why? I wish I had a PC or a computer. What they're gonna buy? You know what, guys? I feel more safer outside. Oh. Momo, no. Oh. He got in the head. Oh. Knocking out Momo in this video. Dude, can I just run away like a coward? I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I'm scared of Momo. I think I reached the full of my stamina. I cannot go fast. She's behind me. They're behind me. Where's the cops when you need them? No. Hit her in the head. Oh, I missed. Oh. Shoot. You know what? I'm gonna hit her. She's fast as heck, boy. Okay. Skill. Okay, run to the police station. How far could it be? This is fast in a circle. See this. Oh, I only have 8 yeah, I only have 8 ammo. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. The police gonna come in. It's 31 minutes. Oh, Mama, are you behind me? I think I can dodge Mama, but I don't wanna do that. I feel more safer out here. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. If this was real, I would just knock Momo out and I would go to the police station because I'm brave like that. So you better leave a like right now. This is a horror game. So my heart is beating right now. So you better leave a like right now. Okay, where's that? Oh, there she is. Momo, Mother Bird. I love Mom. I love moms. I only have 1 ammo left. I only have 1. Please, cops. Where are the cops when you need them? Huh? Where's the cops when you need them, huh? Cops, where are you? You know what? I'm gonna end it. I'm gonna hit her. This is gone. Come here. Yep. I hope you guys. I'm gonna. Okay, guys. I'm gonna end this video right now. So I need to get far in this game. I can't even beat this game. So hope to see you in the next video. Leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell. See you in the next video.